Apple today announced its financial results for its fiscal 2026 third quarter, ending June 27, 2026.
These numbers give us a snapshot of the company's performance during a critical period, revealing both the strengths and the challenges it's facing in the ever-evolving tech landscape. As one of the most influential companies in the world, Apple's quarterly reports are more than just numbers. They're a reflection of where the company is going and how it's adapting to the needs of its customers. Whether you're a long-time fan, a curious observer, or just someone who wants to understand what's happening in the tech world, this report is worth paying attention to. Let's start with the big picture. Apple reported a total revenue of $92.1 billion for the quarter, which is a slight increase from the previous quarter. This number is significant because it shows that the company is still managing to generate strong revenue despite the global economic climate. However, it's also important to note that this is a bit lower than the same quarter last year, which means the company is navigating a period of slower growth. For Apple, maintaining steady revenue is a key indicator of its ability to sustain its position in the market and continue driving innovation. Looking closer at the breakdown, the company's iPhone sales were a major driver of revenue. The iPhone remains one of Apple's most important products, and its performance directly impacts the company's overall financial health. In this quarter, iPhone revenue reached $46.5 billion, which is a slight increase from the previous quarter. This is a positive sign, especially considering the competitive landscape in the smartphone industry. Apple continues to innovate with new models and features, and the iPhone's strong performance suggests that these efforts are paying off. However, not all areas of the business are performing equally. Apple's services segment, which includes everything from the App Store to Apple Music and iCloud, saw a revenue increase of $10.1 billion for the quarter. This segment has been growing steadily over the past few years, and it's becoming a more significant part of Apple's overall revenue. Services are a key area for Apple because they provide a steady stream of income and are less affected by the economic downturn. The growth in this segment indicates that Apple is successfully diversifying its revenue streams and reducing its reliance on hardware sales. Another important area is the company's Mac, iPad, and other devices. Revenue from these products totaled $20.2 billion for the quarter. This is a notable figure, especially when you consider the broader context of the tech industry. The demand for laptops and tablets continues to be strong, driven by both consumer and business needs. Apple's focus on creating high-quality, user-friendly devices has helped it maintain a loyal customer base, and the performance of these products is a testament to that. In addition to the revenue figures, Apple also provided insights into its global sales performance. The company continues to see strong demand in key markets such as the United States, China, and Europe. However, there are also signs that the company is expanding into new markets and adapting to changing consumer preferences. This global reach is a key strength for Apple, allowing it to tap into diverse customer bases and maintain its position as a global leader in technology. It's also worth noting that Apple's stock performance has been a topic of discussion in the financial markets. While the company's financial results are generally positive, the stock has experienced some fluctuations, reflecting the broader economic environment and investor sentiment. Apple's ability to manage these fluctuations and maintain investor confidence is an important factor in its long-term success. Beyond the numbers, the third quarter results also highlight Apple's ongoing efforts to innovate and adapt to the evolving tech landscape. The company continues to invest in research and development, exploring new technologies and features that could shape the future of computing and communication. These efforts are not only about staying ahead of the competition, but also about creating products that truly meet the needs of its users. For Apple's customers, these results mean that the company is still committed to delivering high-quality products and services. Whether it's the latest iPhone, a powerful Mac, or a seamless experience across all its devices, Apple continues to focus on the user experience. This commitment to innovation and quality is what has helped the company maintain its position as a leader in the tech industry. In conclusion, Apple's third quarter results provide a clear picture of the company's current performance and future outlook. While the numbers show both growth and challenges, they also highlight Apple's ability to adapt and thrive in a competitive market. As the tech industry continues to evolve, Apple's focus on innovation, quality, and user experience will be key to its continued success. For now, these results give us a sense of where the company stands and what it might be working on in the months and years to come. Stay tuned for more updates as Apple continues to shape the future of technology.